Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about something crazy which is called one tool, especially for mobile app developer, or if someone engineer who has a low memory or like low RAM. So we are talking about Project IDX. Project IDX is from Google, and it has released on Google I/O Connect last year 2024. What does Project IDX do? So let's suppose you have just started learning the Flutter and you have a low memory, okay, like low memory on the front end side, or like let's suppose you have only 4 GB RAM or like 2 GB RAM, and you want to learn the mobile app development. Okay, so it become hassle for you. So what if I tell you that now you can run, or now you can build a mobile app on the browser? You are hearing it right. With the help of Project IDX, you can code on the browser, and you can see all the changes. You can see the emulator on the browser as well. So as you can see that here, we can click on this plus button, and we can work on this. So let's see about the Project IDX. So Project IDX is a very cool tool, just if you are just started learning with the mobile app development. And let me scroll down to the bottom, so you can see that welcome to Project IDX, get started. And it's give you like online ID experience. So you can see a different technology. You can see that. So first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna just click on get it started. Once you click on get it started, you will get log into the Project IDX, and here you will see a different templates. So let's suppose if you're just started with learning React or front end technology, so you guys can choose Angular, Next.js, Astro, whatever the technology you can choose, and you can code on the browser, which is a really cool tool. Okay, so you don't have to set up, you don't have to think about how many RAM or how many RAM do you have on the PC. So same for the like Laravel, Django, Node, Express. And one of the most exciting thing which I'm talking about, that is called Flutter. Okay, so as you can see that let's suppose I got a chance to learn Flutter. Now you click on Flutter and you can define your app, and once you define your app, you will get this project created on your browser, and you can code it. How insane is it? So this is one of the most cool things. And now if I do some changes, like you can see that of if I want to do some changes, let me show you. You have posted button in this many times. So if I write here something different, you can see that how quick the render gonna happen here. So if I just change this text to something else, so let me try to change this. Okay, so you can change this as well, whatever the value you wanted to change, and you can code it in the browser, which is a really cool tool. Okay, so same like if you just started with learning React Native, you can choose you can click on mobile and you can choose a React Native expo, and you can go ahead with the anyone. But for me, expo was taking quite bit time, so you guys can try it as well and let me know it works for you or not. And same for if you're like doing the AI ML database, MongoDB, and you can learn this. So if you are someone who is a learner and wanted to explore multiple technology without setting setup up in the local system, so you can use Project IDX, and it's really a cool tool. And it's in a beta mode, like it's still on the development phase. So yeah, also you get the access of Gemini. So let's suppose if I click on web app, and if I click on React, and if I type my app, something like that, and click on this, so it will create a React app very quick, and you can learn that your web development very fast way, without doing setup of Node.js or something, and without thinking about how much RAM do you have. So yeah, that's all in this video. And also, if you just started learning with React Native, please visit 0decoder.in. Here you will find a different courses which can make your learning to the next level, like building a music player applications, or just started learning mobile app development from scratch and publishing the app on Google Play Console. So please visit 0decoder.in and let me know if you feel any courses worth it or not. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. You can see that our project has been created, and here you also get the access of Gemini. So yeah, you can see that a terminal access, it will start at the npm I, and after that, once it's get done, it will run the npm run dev command. So if you wanted to run, you can see that the side by side the project has been open as well. And if it's giving a totally a native feel on the browser. How cool is it? And let's suppose if I want to do some changes here with plus React, so if I wanted to update with subscribe to 0 degree coder, how cool is it? Like you can develop, you can do the changes, and you can see on the browser. You don't have to think about how many RAM do you have on your system. So if you are someone who just started learning with wanted to explore multiple technologies without doing the setup of project, or like if you just start learning with Flutter, and it will took almost a five like good amount of time, and don't wanted to don't want to spend don't wanted to spend time on doing the setup or stuff. So yeah, you can explore the project IDX and let me know how you feel it. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. Please visit your recorder in and let me know how you feel about this project IDX. Thank you. Bye.